Pascual Acosta Pacheco, Council President Alan Gatel, Senor Luis Jimenez Suarez, Nurse Teresa, and Dr. Joe. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Good morning. And so how it's going? Okay, nice to meet you all. Okay. Here we are going to see the Tematu there at Sound Roaming Magdalang Bamudasa. Idanelos, at Sound Roaming Magdalang Bamudasa, hinirita at aprende batida, o tatawag yung estudyante sila hanesan inangamang hanoring hodomi. At tunay estudyante mo sa aprende, huli akap sa idaman kita, hanoring basira. And also, here I'd like to remind you again about the lesson that you have prepared in this place. Before or during 3 months, you were learning about English and Korean language. As we know that English language and Korean language is very important for every human being living in this world. Because when we are going to another country, we use English language or Korean language to do the conversation with the people who are staying in this place. Because all of them, they don't know how to speak Tetu as Timorese people. They only know how to speak their own language. So how we are going to understand about their character, whether their character good or wrong. That's why we must know how to speak English language and Korean language. Just now, teachers are going to proud of all of the teachers who are teaching during 3 months for the students about English and Korean language. Congratulations, because all of the students who are taking the certificate in this place, they can pass in this interview. But now hopefully you are going to follow the interview, you will pass more and do more your best about the lesson that you have learned from this place. The more you do, the more you get. The more you do the conversation, the more you develop more your English language and your English conversation about Korean language. So how are you going to speak English as your habits? First, you have to do the action. You must do the conversation with your friends who knows how to speak English language. If you just keep yourself, automatically you are not able to do the conversation with the people who knows how to speak English. Because in Australia, if you are going to work under the horticulture and agriculture, you must know how to speak English. If you don't know how to speak English, unfortunately, you are not able to do this. But Aron Gatel student is the best. I'm going to proud of all of you, because many people, I just hear the information you have passed. Your friends who are going to test about interview, they all pass in this interview. But hopefully, you are going to follow the interview also, you will pass in this interview. Because the question is according to our lesson. So please do more your best with the lesson that you have learned and share more to your friends who are waiting for your helping. As one quotation say, waste the time for science, one day we'll get the result. Okay, quotation na dia kata, gasta tempo ba ciencia, lorong ida o sumoris contenti. Antau idane, kolega sira, when hira materi sa nabay tabot hetang hinafating idane, kung mafaha ba kolega sa nabay makhengil tabot na tulong. Kari kraide, itabot sa ila, disambol itabot na lingwaja nabay makaprende ha arong deteri. E depois agradecemos a natureza Aron Gatel. Acompanhamos os estudantes sira, ou inhira sira bates, e a sefope sira nos passa. Então, orgulho com a natureza Aron Gatel. Los barita teacher sira, los barita diretor sira, los barita presidente, may bebaho to estudante sira. Acompanha na ba. Então, proud ko na ni, kolega sira kari kabayan na ba? Kari kolega rumah, sidaw kata informasi rumah kari. Kita buat sila kokono informasi halaban estudante sila o kolega sila be maklahetan informasi sa itabot atau sila be namay akseso ba etnam formal education ha Aron Gatel. Teacher fear ini wani hire bate sini sa iyo. E depois materi na be ini heta labela ba ide han sa Aron Gatel ilfua kari kita buat ra ide ni si fohu kari kita buat hadet ni si hotu. Kari kita buat koko no fahe na fatin atau ida ni si puras ba bebe. No ema mo si kuin si kita buat ba bebe. Okay? E depois, kita buat tínhamos tem que estudar com calma. Também inglês, né? O inglês te estuda com nervoso, o inglês também tem que cuidar. Então estuda né, mas é flexível. Santo. Cara estuda mas com tensão mais, ele teacher harus kakek mas tensão ele não bebe. Calm down your boy, calm down yourself with the positive thinking, so that you will achieve your goal that you have planned in the past. If you study or learn about English language by using your positive thinking, you were able to achieve what you have planned in the past. As we are knowing that, we are coming from the different municipality and their different life. Some of the people, they are coming from rich people, and some of the people, they are coming from poor people. As quotations say, poor people will fly with education. Okay? Ita na bema kia, ita say, siya mo ita na edukasyon na bema kita ita. Kari, ita edukasyon na ita fly ho ita na edukasyon, ema na beri ko niya si fly ho osa. Ema kina sa ema diyan, niya lang kaya aprende, may bagi buka tiro osa sa sertifikado de. At ganun la bela, thank you for hangka kuta. You must fit your mind with the lesson or subject that you have learned every day in this place. The more you fix, the more you feel, your relation or your subject that you have learned will grow up and will achieve more your goal. And will support your family who are coming from poor people. As just now I say, we are coming from the different lives. Like some of people are coming from poor people. How you are going to develop your family from poverty life. Firstly, you must push yourself to access for the education. As we know that only education can achieve or can remove our parents from the poverty life. I think so it is, and thank you very much for everybody for the attention.